Welcome to our video on the envelope budgeting system, a simple yet powerful tool for managing your finances. In today's fast-paced world, effective financial planning is more crucial than ever. Many people struggle with overspending and finding a way to save, which is where the envelope system comes into play. This video aims to demystify this budgeting strategy and show you how it can transform your financial habits. The envelope system is unique because it encourages a hands-on approach to budgeting. Instead of relying solely on digital tools or spreadsheets, you allocate cash into different envelopes designated for specific spending categories, such as groceries, entertainment, or savings. This tangible method not only helps you visualize your spending, but also limits your expenditures to what you have physically set aside. By the end of this video, you'll understand the practical benefits of effective budgeting through the envelope system. You'll learn how it can help you gain control over your finances, reduce stress, and ultimately lead to a more secure financial future. So stick around as we dive deeper into how you can implement this strategy in your own life. Understanding the envelope system. The envelope budgeting system is a straightforward financial management technique that involves dividing your cash into different envelopes, each designated for specific spending categories. The idea is simple. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, you cannot spend any more in that category until the next budgeting period. This method encourages discipline and helps you stay within your financial limits. Historically, the envelope system has roots that date back to the early 20th century, when people relied on cash for their daily expenses. In recent years, this method has seen a resurgence as more individuals seek tangible ways to manage their finances in an increasingly digital world. With the rise of overspending and debt, many are turning back to this classic strategy to regain control over their budgets. One of the key advantages of using physical envelopes is its simplicity. Unlike complex budgeting apps or spreadsheets, the envelope system requires minimal setup and can be easily understood by anyone. It provides a clear visual representation of your spending, making it easier to track where your money goes. This hands-on approach not only fosters accountability, but also empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Setting up your budget. Creating your own budget. Using the envelope system is a straightforward process that can lead to better financial management. Start by identifying the categories that are most relevant to your spending. Common categories include groceries, entertainment, transportation, dining out, and savings. Tailor these categories to fit your lifestyle and financial goals. Once you have your categories, it's time to allocate funds to each envelope. Begin by assessing your monthly income and determining how much you can realistically spend in each category. For example, if you decide to allocate $300 for groceries, $100 for entertainment, and $50 for savings, make sure these amounts align with your overall financial situation. Next, physically label your envelopes with each category name and place the allocated cash inside. This step not only organizes your budget, but also reinforces the discipline of sticking to your limits. Before you finalize your budget, take a moment to assess your spending habits. Review your past expenses to identify areas where you might be overspending or where you could cut back. This reflection will help you create a more effective budget that truly meets your needs and supports your financial goals. Managing your envelopes. Effectively managing your envelopes is crucial for the success of the envelope budgeting system. Sticking to the budgeted amounts in each envelope helps you develop discipline and ensures that you don't overspend in any category. When the cash in an envelope runs out, it's a clear signal that you need to stop spending in that area until the next budgeting period. This practice not only keeps your finances in check, but also encourages mindful spending. As life circumstances change, it's important to be flexible with your envelopes. If you find that you consistently have leftover cash in one envelope while another is running low, consider adjusting the amounts. For instance, if you're spending less on entertainment but more on groceries, redistribute the funds accordingly. This adaptability allows your budget to reflect your current financial situation. Regularly reviewing your spending is essential for maintaining an effective budget. Set aside time each week or month to assess how well you're sticking to your envelopes. Look for patterns in your spending and make necessary adjustments to your categories or amounts. This ongoing evaluation will help you stay on track and ensure that your budgeting efforts align with your financial goals. Visual engagement techniques. Making the budgeting process visually engaging can significantly enhance your commitment to managing your finances. One effective way to do this is by using colorful envelopes for each category. Bright, distinct colors can make the budgeting process more enjoyable and help you quickly identify where your money is allocated. Alternatively, if you prefer a digital approach, consider using budgeting apps that offer visual tracking features, such as graphs and charts, to monitor your spending. Personalization is another key aspect of making your envelopes motivating. Decorate them with stickers, drawings, or motivational quotes that resonate with you. This personal touch not only makes the envelopes more appealing, but also serves as a constant reminder of your financial goals, encouraging you to stick to your budget. Visual tracking has numerous benefits when it comes to maintaining budget discipline. It allows you to see your progress at a glance, making it easier to identify areas where you might be overspending. By visually engaging with your budget, you create a more interactive experience that fosters accountability and keeps you motivated to achieve your financial objectives. Embracing these techniques can transform budgeting from a chore into an empowering and rewarding journey. Common challenges and solutions. While the envelope budgeting system can be highly effective, there are common challenges that many people encounter. One of the most frequent pitfalls is overspending in a particular category, often due to impulse purchases or unexpected expenses. Another challenge is forgetting to use the envelopes altogether, especially when transitioning to this new budgeting method. To overcome these challenges, start by setting clear spending limits for each envelope and tracking your expenses regularly. Consider using a small notebook or a budgeting app to log your purchases, which can help you stay accountable. If you find yourself overspending, take a moment to reassess your budget and adjust the amounts in your envelopes as needed. This flexibility can help you stay on track without feeling restricted. Additionally, to avoid forgetting to use your envelopes, keep them in a visible and accessible location, such as your wallet or purse. Setting reminders on your phone can also help you remember to check your envelopes before making purchases. Finally, it's essential to stay committed to the process and be willing to adapt your strategies as your financial situation changes. Embrace the learning curve and remember that budgeting is a journey that requires patience and persistence. In this video, we explored the envelope budgeting system, a practical and effective method for managing your finances. We discussed how this system encourages discipline by allocating cash into specific envelopes for different spending categories, helping you stay within your budget and avoid overspending. The simplicity of using physical envelopes or digital apps makes budgeting accessible for everyone, while personalization adds a motivational touch to your financial journey. Now that you understand the benefits of the envelope system, it's time to take action. Start by setting up your own budget, creating categories that reflect your spending habits, and allocating funds accordingly. Remember to regularly review and adjust your envelopes as needed to ensure they align with your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, The AI Money Mind, for more financial tips and strategies. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about effective budgeting techniques. Together, we can empower ourselves to take control of our finances and work towards a more secure financial future. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting.